Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the region this morning. Going to see an uptick in our cloud cover once we move into the afternoon hours today. We'll have a cold front approaching, and that'll give us a chance of some thunderstorms for later on this afternoon into the evening hours. Looking at our current surface analysis, we do have a cold front that's currently across the Ohio Valley, a prefrontal trough ahead of that, and we'll see this cold front sweep through for this evening into the early overnight hours, giving us a chance of showers and thunderstorms, as I mentioned. Taking a look at our current observation, we have a few clouds at 25,000 feet, winds out of the southwest at 6 knots, temperature 68 degrees, and relative humidity at 84%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a area of convection in Pennsylvania. We're seeing some cloud cover mainly on the upper levels and mid levels, well north and west of our area. This cloud cover will start to push towards the region, but will be dying or lessening in coverage as it moves towards the region for this afternoon. Taking a look at the radar imagery, you can see a good amount of rainfall across south central Pennsylvania as well as into western Maryland this morning, even some embedded thunderstorms in that rainfall. And that is associated with the prefrontal trough. That'll continue to move north of our area and weaken as it does move eastward. Looking at the HRR and our derived reflectivity, you can see that activity kind of weakening as it moves north of our area, and we'll see that cloud cover increase for this afternoon, mainly in the upper levels and mid levels, and then we'll see, this is at 3 p.m. or 1500 local this afternoon, some isolated showers west of our area, and then for this evening here is 5 p.m. or 1700 local. You can see the shower and thunderstorm activity starting to increase as that cold front approaches. We will have some decent instability today, moderate instability I should say, as well as some shear. So that'll give us a chance of some stronger winds with any of these thunderstorms that move through during the evening hours. And looks like our best chance is going to be between about 8 p.m. or 20 local and midnight tonight. You can see the shower and thunderstorm activity over the Wallops region on this model run at 8 p.m. this evening. And then moving on towards midnight, you can see that shower and thunderstorm activity dies off, and we'll see cooler air move in overnight with more stable atmosphere in general for the next few days after today. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high of 84 degrees, so above normal for today, about 5 to 10 degrees above normal. We'll move into the overnight hours, we'll see a low of 61 degrees tonight, so that's just about near normal for this time of year. We'll see southwesterly, the west-southwesterly winds 8 to 13 knots today, possibly gusting up as high as 16 to 17 knots this afternoon. And then we'll see those thunderstorm chances really increase after 8 p.m. or 20 local this evening, going with a 60% chance of thunderstorms later this evening, and we'll bookend that with a 25% chance after 1800 local till 20 local, and a 20% chance from midnight till 2 local on Wednesday. So best chance, as I mentioned, around that 8 o'clock time period tonight, but can't rule out a thunderstorm before that and after that until about 2 local. Tomorrow morning we'll have northerly winds 12 to 17 knots, gusting to 17 knots with some post-frontal cold air advection, giving us a little bit of a gusty wind out of the north tomorrow morning. Our tides are currently running normal, and taking a brief look at our terminal forecast, quite involved this morning as we'll have multiple chances of showers and thunderstorms. I mentioned, just highlighting the thunderstorm chances, 25% after 1800 local to 20 local, 60% between 20 local and midnight, and a 20% chance from midnight till 2 a.m. on Wednesday morning. We'll see a chance of some low clouds tomorrow morning as well, with ceilings possibly be around 500 feet overnight. By tomorrow morning, you should see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy conditions, seeing some skies or ceilings broken at 15,000 feet. Wednesday, we'll see good conditions in general, a slight chance of a morning rain shower. Other than that, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy conditions, turning mostly sunny, slightly breezy and cooler, high of 73 for Wednesday night, partly cloudy and cooler, a low of 54, and for Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy and pleasant, high of 72 degrees. Green chart across the board for all three time periods here, with that slight chance of a brief sprinkle Wednesday morning. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.